Good morning, everyone. This is my speech, and I pick is number 10. And the question in there is things that I love in STI Balayan. What I like in STI Balayan is the teacher are good at teaching of her student and have respect in student. And the community of STI Balayan don't have a bully and the spirit growth of STI Balayan. And the teacher give me or us a knowledge to apply in the future. And the view in STI Balayan is beautiful in other school, college, or school year. And why I choose STI Balayan, because in another school I get in senior high school I get my course is EIM, meaning electrical installation maintenance. I tried in the BSU Balayan but I cannot get in the BSHM because my course in senior high school is EIM, and I try in STI Balayan and I get in the BSHM. And things that I love in STI Balayan, all students are have respect in each other, and that all of my speech today.